We're going to be doing a stop motion basics tutorial today. We're going to be using the Stop Motion Studio app. So you're going to go ahead and click on Stop Motion Studio. That's going to open up the app. And we're going to click on New Movie. What you're going to do before you even start to take your photographs, you want to make sure that you set up your filming device, whether it's a phone or an iPad. You want to set it up so that it's in a stationary position where it's not going to move and not going to shake, and it's going to keep the same view the whole time, so that your photos remain consistent. Stop motion is basically just a stream of photographs that are all linked together to make a movie. If you've watched the Lego Movie or Wallace and Gromit, those are both done with stop motion, one with Legos and some digital work as well, and Wallace and Gromit is claymation. What we're going to do today is just very basic to let you sort of get used to how to use the app. So as you can see, our video is going very fast because I sped it up, because it's about 9 minutes worth of us taking photographs, and that could get kind of boring. So as you can see on the right hand side of the screen, that red button, every time it turns white, that was us pushing the shutter button and taking a photograph, which then appears down at the bottom of the screen. In order to make a decent length movie, you need to take a fair amount of photographs. The movie that we end up making here today is going to be about 10 seconds long, but it's made up of 64 photographs, which is pretty, figure 10 seconds with 64 photos for just 10 seconds. That's a lot of stuff for one little bit of time. Okay, and now you're seeing the actual movie playing. Pretty cool. After all of that work, it becomes a movie. And you're going to see it start up again, and this time you're going to see I'm going to click on that gear, and that's going to let me change the speed. I changed it from 6 frames per second to 4 frames per second, which is going to slow down the movie a little bit. This is something that can be useful if you find your movie is going a little too quickly. If you slow down the number of frames per second, it's going to slow down your movie. Or if you want to speed up the number of frames per second, you would just go the opposite way. You would add more frames per second. And that is the end. We use Stop Motion Studio by Cat Eater LLC, and it's available in the App Store. Thank you for watching.
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.